I think I just going to surprise everybody and just go on Instagram.
After Zakia done with
Snapchat.
our proper hot topics, I want to tell her what hot for me. Ugly Park Road.
Yeah, well, this is sad. A couple of sad ones this morning. Death toll from the earthquake on the Indonesian island of Lombok. They said it's now 164.
Wow.
Authorities urgently appealing for medicine, food, and clean water for some 156,000 displaced by the disaster. He says at least 1,400 are seriously injured. Wow. So 164 dead, 14 seriously injured, and 156,000 displaced. And this is the second one they've had in that area in recent times. So those are some tourists. Thank goodness they're still alive.
Yeah.
Wow.
They said it struck on Sunday as evening prayers were being said across the Muslim majority island. I mean, what do you say other than, you just pray for their strength and their ability to recover. Yesterday was a celebration of life for Irvin Jarrett at Webster Memorial. It was such a wonderful day. Tributes in word, movement, music. You heard all those wonderful third world songs. The drumming was amazing. It really, really was, Neville, a wonderful, wonderful send-off for Carrot. And the national favorite, Always Around, which is a track written by him, that was played as well. Nice to see third world members turn out as well. So that's Carrot, That's Carrot, and it really was a celebration. All his kids were there. Nice.
Yeah, apparently they're having a concert tomorrow also.
At Edna Manley?
I'm told, yeah.
Yes, at Edna Manley.
Which is fantastic.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. It says, there it is, a tribute in music and dance. Wonderful. Friday, 6 p.m. So, please, it's at Edna Manley College. So don't miss it.
All right. What's the next one?
Reggae Boy Bolt.
Could be.
JFL President Michael Ricketts says he's been paying close attention to the efforts of sprint legend Usain Bolt to make his mark as a professional football player, and that he would fully support a call-up to the national team if the national coaching staff thinks he's good enough. I don't have no problems with that. If him can play, make him come. Make him come.
I just put him center forward.
I make them run him down.
Lick it behind everybody's head and say, go catch him before the ball.
Make him run it down.
And he's left-footed, so.
Yeah.
Big baller.
So apparently he's already tried it with teams in Germany, Norway, and South Africa.
Well, he's in Australia now.
Undeterred. He's with the A-League. So you see, we want people to understand that Bolt, you see, enough time we see people achieve things in Aubrey, and we want to have that success. This man has tried out with teams in Germany, Norway, and South Africa, and now he's gone to Australia to still try out. If a summer we from a tryout in Germany and it no work, I say, but then go along, me a Bolt. Me not do this. Yep. But this is a young man, determined, hardworking. You seeing? Can't tell you enough.
The Jamaican team, they have a couple of practice games coming up. I don't use him now, one of them. Just to see.
Yeah.
It can't hurt.
Watch your man. The ear is back, man. Just I see it. No, true. Your ear grow fast, youth.
It's about 3 times. I shave it since me.
Since you ball it off?
Yeah.
So why Aubrey them ear now grow?
No. I mean, everyone can go. So
Arrow, want to fit them ear.
How you want me to do it? Ball, this, I make it go.
I like this.
You like this?
Yeah.
So leave it like this.
Yeah, I like this.
Leave it like this.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I like this.
I don't know.
Sorry, Zakia, in the middle of our conversation.
I don't know. It's a hot topic.
Yes, it's a hot topic.
My ear is a hot topic.
Thank God people stop asking me now why I make never ball have him in.
Yeah.
The Met office.
That's not good news.
I don't. How is
the temperatures?
How is it possible?
That them say it can get warmer.
It can't get no warmer.
Thank you, Pat. I'm this good friend. You know, Pat Wright. She always watches the program and she keeps in touch with us. I love her. You see, I've known her for years, but I love her like crazy. She lives in Montego Bay, does all kinds of stuff, and she
the fabulous Pat Wright.
Yeah, Pat Wright. Well, I love you, bad, my sister. So, thank you.
Yeah,
they say it is going to. There's a
55% probability.
Temperatures to be normal, but it says over the past 3 days, temperatures in Montego Bay and in Kingston have been around 34 degrees Celsius.
Not at 25 for normal, 55, that it will be warmer than normal.
Yeah. 34 Celsius is in the 90s. Fahrenheit.
Aye.
Wow.
I can't imagine. All the little people them go back to school September in the classroom and the teachers. And there is no air in the classroom.
Yeah. By the way, they say the temperatures may reach 40 degrees Celsius and could cause sunstroke and dehydration. But that said, the Met Office dismissed claims that Jamaica is experiencing the equinox phenomenon, which is when the sun's position in relation to the earth provides 12 hours of sunlight twice per year in March and September. That's the period they say it might reach 40 degrees, but they say claims being circulated about the phenomenon are not true. So
this is crazy.
I
can't believe it could get hot. I think it's not, let me not tell you it get warmer. More, like hotter now.
I need an air conditioner.
Warmer than cool.
So I feel sorry for me and give me an air conditioner,
well,
please.
I have the air conditioner, but I tell somebody to I have a nervous breakdown by the time this heat done with me because I turn it on and start cool and then I start thinking about the bill. So I try to sleep, but I sleep and I think about the bill and I think about the bill and I say, I think the room cool enough right now.
You turn it off.
So I turn it off and I say, all right, that little cooling is that will hold me. Then I start sleep, then the heat take me again. And I say, Lord have mercy.
Where you say big car?
My car?
Yeah, what is big car?
Our cousin. Our cousin.
Oh, why you say big car?
I don't know, it's a linguistic.
Oh.
It's a linguistic habit.
Yeah, that sense.
You say because, no, but seriously though, Hagley Park Road, Minister Montague, I am asking you for some intervention. I am happy that Hagley Park is being widened and the road is being fixed. I'm very happy. But somebody can't go mash up or somebody gonna be in an accident. I'm driving last night and I go think say me I drive slow because the next thing I know I'm looking down a precipice in the middle of Hagley Park Road. If my car went in, it couldn't come out. And I'm thinking, why would this precipice be on Hagley Park Road without a sign, never, to say go around? And then when you get to the Walton Park, Hagley Park intersection, there's some cones that keep moving and say you don't know where to go. So I'm thinking, well, I'm going to stick to the left. I see a man go up on the next side. So I look at me and say, so the people them where come, so where them going to go? Because the man don't know say over here I'm for there. It is, Minister, may I beg you, the work must continue, you know. But somebody, if it's even for take a piece of ply and take paint and mark something on it, it can't continue like this. It can't continue like this. It's disrespectful and it's harmful. Yeah,
plus to NWC, I have to ask again, the people at Whitehall, Whitehaven, Cadott, they have not had water since not this Tuesday, since the Tuesday before. Almost 2 weeks them don't have water. So I'm begging you again, if you can give them even a day, make them replenish them little stock and put some water in a little barrel and a little drum and a little thing and so them can start over again. But almost 2 weeks now and they haven't had any water at all.
Crazy.
So I'm begging you.
Crazy.
All right. I have to say good morning to a very special young lady. I hope I pronounced your name properly. It seems to be Stefanko. I hope I got it right. She's Stefanko Henry. She goes to Our Lady of the Angels. She watches the program. And I think you're watching right now. So I want to say good morning. I thank you so much for watching. I love you like crazy. And I also want to say hi to your Grandma Phyllis. Very special people. Stefanko Henry and Grandma Phyllis. Thank you so much for watching. Saw your daddy yesterday and came and told me all kinds of stuff. So again, hopefully I'll meet you one of these days soon. I'm looking forward to that. All right. Oh, all right. Happy birthday to Owen Hill. My brethren Owen Hill. They call him Braddy, who played at University of the West Indies, went to Kingston College, and his birthday is today. So happy birthday. Happy birthday to Donna Reary. Her birthday was yesterday. It's coming from Donna May. It says, love you, my friend, hoping she had a great day. So hope you had a brilliant day. Hold on, you know. And I have to show you this one. This is a very special one. This lady is 84 years old today. Her name is Louise Brown. And there you go. I hope you have an amazing day today, ma'am. Kian says you're a very special lady, and I can tell you're special. So I hope you have a brilliant day today. All right. Happy birthday to Natalia Black. Apparently they call her SpongeBob. It's coming from Alligator Mama and the Mad Squad crew. I'm afraid to ask who that.
just be afraid to know the whole crew.
Yeah, there you go. Happy birthday to Hilary McIntosh. She comes from Jericho in Hanover. There she is, coming from your husband Michael. And I hope you have a brilliant day today. Alligator Mama. Well, it's not she selling this one, the Mad Squad crew. All right, here you go. You got none?
Yes, this is the wonderful Zacchaeus McKnight.
Oh.
So greetings are coming to you from your children, Gregory, Juliet, Bruce, Ian, me left off somebody, but my Zacchaeus, all of them, so I tell you.
Happy birthday, sir.
my Zacchaeus. So happy birthday to you. I also want to say happy birthday to Michael McLean. Why? It's also Cavan Gale's birthday.
Easy, Mr.
Cavan, why is your birthday showing me? Cavan Gale birthday does pop up, son. Everybody's birthday does disappear. So happy birthday to everyone who's celebrating. I did find it, but now it's gone. Who's celebrating our birthdays? Can I find it, Zakia? Don't move, Zakia. Don't move.
Where we at, Paya?
How are we wait for me?
Yeah, where are we at, Paya?
Sit there.
Wait there.
It'll come. Sit there. It's Michael McLean, Dane Campbell.
All right, we're going for you now.
Jean Rose, Ramona Thompson, Donna Manning, Tracy Franklin, and Tafari Green. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, and good morning again to Stefanko. All right, I love you. Happy birthday, folks. Have a great day today.